Discover the mystical world of chameleons. Meet the chameleon, nature's master of disguise. These colorful creatures have a fascinating array of unique characteristics. Chameleons have a 360-degree field of vision. Their bulbous, independent eyes can rotate in different directions simultaneously. Known for their vivid color changes, chameleon skin reacts to temperature, light, and mood. Color morphing is indeed more than just a camouflage technique. Chameleons possess a lightning-fast tongue, extending up to twice their body length. Prey doesn't stand a chance against this quick strike. The chameleon's feet are zygodactyl, perfect for gripping branches. This makes them excellent climbers, navigating trees with ease. Lastly, baby chameleons are born live from eggs nurtured inside the mother. A rare trait among reptiles, showcasing their uniqueness. Join us in admiring the chameleon, a marvel of evolution. Their intriguing lifestyle and adaptations truly make them a wonder of the animal kingdom.